Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about preposition combinations which can be confusing. Some words can change meaning depending on the preposition they are used with. Let's look at some of the most common and confusing ones. Don't forget, after this video, you can check your understanding with our free vocabulary quiz. Let's get started. First pair for today, sorry for and sorry to. We use sorry for to apologize for something we did. I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for forgetting your birthday. We use sorry to when we regret something that happens. I'm sorry to hear the bad news. We are sorry to inform you that you haven't got the position. We also say I'm sorry too when we wish to apologize at the time we do something. I'm sorry to leave so soon. I'm sorry to bother you, but I need to ask you a question. Now let's look at the next pair, good at and good to. We use good at to talk about skills or abilities we have. I'm good at listening to people. I'm good at cooking. I'm good at feeding the cat. We use good to when we wish to express a positive feeling or experience. For example, it's good to see you again. It's good to know that you're okay. It's good to know how to fix the car. Next is interested in and interested to. We use interested in when talking about things we enjoy. For example, I am interested in reading books. He's interested in learning languages. But we use interested to when something is new, surprising, or makes us curious. We often use interested to with phrases such as I was interested to hear, to know, to see, and so on. Some examples. I was interested to hear your story. I was interested to see what happened. It would be interesting to know more about art. Note, in the last sentence I used interesting. We use interested for people and interesting for things. Now the final pair to look at today, afraid to and afraid of. We use afraid to when you are scared to do something because it might be dangerous or risky. For example, I'm afraid to walk alone at night. I'm afraid to try scuba diving. But we use afraid of when you have a general fear of something. For example, he's afraid of swimming in deep water. She's afraid of spiders. I'm afraid of something happening. Please compare. I'm afraid to swim. It means I don't want to do it. It seems risky. I'm afraid of swimming. I have a general fear of the activity. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. You might also like our video about using confusing words. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and share. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.